Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make my favorite chicken chowmein. So let's get started. So to make our chicken chowmein, we need a chowmein which is boiled and strained. I'm adding onion, snow peas, capsicum, cabbage, carrot, chicken and mushroom. So I've got 1 egg beaten here, cumin powder, dark soy sauce, chili powder. So I'm going to start with the eggs first. So I'm going to cook off my 1 egg. Once the egg is all cooked, fold them over and leave it on the side. A hot pan with a little bit of oil, seal your chicken. Once your chicken is sealed, you can add your onion, add your mushroom, add your cabbage, add your snow peas, add your carrots, cook them for a couple of minutes. Add your capsicum, add your cumin powder, add your chili powder, your cooked noodles, cook them for a couple of minutes, stir them and mix them together. Once you stir fry your noodles for a couple of minutes, add your salt to taste, add your dark soy sauce, and combine them properly. You cooked it for a couple of minutes, you can add your chili oil if you like some spicy. I like to add some chili oil. You can skip the chili oil if you don't like too spicy, and add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. So mix them well. Last, you can add your chopped up coriander, mix them well, and your noodle is nearly ready now. You can start serving in the pot. So guys, I'm about to plate up my chicken chowmein. I'm adding my cooked eggs, which I cooked it earlier. So for garnish, I'm adding some spring onion, some carrot, maybe some coriander, and a little bit of capsicum, just to look and taste delicious. It'll give you wow factor in your plate. Yeah, hope you will like my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next next video.